friends, it's October, and that means it's time to open another Sew Sampler box in Fat Quarter Shop. I am super excited to see what's in here. It's been waiting for me for a little over a week, so it's time we just rip the tape and dive right in. Before we get started, I do want to let you know this is a monthly sewing subscription box. You can pick this up for about $30 a month. Inside, you'll get some designer fabric, a pattern, a block of the month pattern, and usually a couple of extra notions. I can't wait to see what the gals over at Fat Quarter Shop have curated for us this month. Let's dive in and see. Here is the box. We will cut the tape, open it up, maybe. The theme this month is everything is coming up roses. I have not actually done any sneak peeks, so I don't know what's in here, but that whole roses theme immediately makes me think about the new line from Lolo Boutique, Country Rose. I wonder if we got some of that fabric. We'll have to wait and see. On the back side of this card, there is an exclusive coupon code for Sew Sampler members to get 30% off of the Jolly Bar book volume 4. This is an exclusive pre-cut size to Fat Quarter Shop. A Jolly Bar is essentially half of a layer cake. And I don't mean half as in, instead of getting 40 pieces of fabric, you get 20. I mean half as in they take a layer cake and clunk it right down the middle. So instead of getting 40 or 42 pieces that measure 10 inches by 10 inches, you get 40 or 42 pieces that measure 5 inches by 10 inches. And the Jolly Bar books that Fat Quarter Shop produces, all of the volumes, are designed to give you patterns to work with their Jolly Bar pre-cuts. Remember, those are things that you can only find at Fat Quarter Shop. And if you are interested in picking up a Jolly Bar for yourself, I will put a link in the first comment down below where you can browse all of the different Jolly Bars that Fat Quarter Shop offers. We have 3 notions in our box this month, and the first one is a very practical notion that you can use even if you're not quilting at the moment. This is some laundry soap. We have got a 3-pack sampler of soap laundry detergent. We have the Uzu scent, we have scentless, and we have wild mint. And those 3 pieces together retail for $4.24. These laundry soap samples are eco-friendly. They are plant-based, and they're supposed to be very gentle on your fabrics. I've actually not used them, but I think I'm going to try to use these, and I'll let you know what I think. If you've used soap before, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. The next notion that we have is the Lime Prime Needle Twister. This is basically a storage solution for your needles. Whether they are hand needles or machine needles, I think either one would be appropriate. It looks kind of like a little chapstick holder, although it is much bigger. And you can take this lid off, and down inside of here, pull this documentation out, is where you'll actually store your needles. You can twist the base up, as seen here, and you can see this little magnetic dot right here. There's a magnetic base in there that will hold all of your needles down in the tube, and you can twist it so that it's all the way down, or if you need to bring those needles up to you, you can twist it so that it's pushing it up, just like you would do with a lipstick or a chapstick. And then of course you put the lid on it and it clicks into place, and this will keep all of your needles nice and safe and tidy down in the bottom of your bag. This item, by the way, is a retail value of $9.98. Our next notion is a pretty big haul at $10.74 retail value, and it is the Riley Blake binding holder. It is in the shape of a churn dash. It's really kind of cute, and the idea here is that you have a slot that you feed your binding through just to start it, and then you just wrap it around all of these notched edges to keep your binding nice and tidy. The retail value for these 3 notions is just about the cost of the box, and we haven't even gotten to the pattern and the fabric yet, so there is definitely value in this month's box. Let's keep going and see what fabric we've got. But first, let me show you the patterns. We're going to start with the block of the month. This month, we have block number 7 for the Bliss Quilt Along. And if you are not following along, I am doing a video tutorial for each one of the blocks in the Bliss Quilt Along. This is what block number 7 is going to look like. It's a really cute little pattern. Block number 7 will hit my channel on the second Saturday in the month of November. The first Saturday is going to be block number 6 that was supposed to hit in October. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you come on back to watch those blocks go together, especially if you're sewing this. And don't worry, this is not a sew along that is exclusive only to Sew Sampler members. If you want to do this, but you don't want to get the box, you can buy these patterns for $4.98 a piece over at fatquartershop.com. And the videos are not going anywhere. So you can buy the patterns now, put it on your shelf to do later, and then come on back and watch the videos once you're actually ready to sew them together. This pattern is awesome. It is not written by Fat Quarter Shop, which is what normally happens, but it is still a Sew Sampler exclusive, which means you're not going to be able to buy this pattern. This is a bonus pattern. This is called Two of a Kind. It is from Susan Ake and Lisa Alexander, and I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing her last name right. I sure hope I am. There are 2 patterns in this little booklet. This booklet retails for $9.98. So you're getting 2 patterns for that $10 value. And this is designed to help promote a new book that they're both putting out that you can order from fatquartershop.com today. They wrote a new book chock full of patterns to help you decide what to do with scrappy quilting. And these are 2 bonus patterns that are not in the book. So if you want to see what their patterns look like and maybe what their techniques look like, you can get a sample from this pattern. And if you like what they've done here, you can pick up their book over at Fat Quarter Shop. $9.98 for 2 patterns. Awesome value. For our fabric this month, we definitely have Country Rose from Lala Boutique, and it is in the form of a junior jelly roll. That means there are 20 strips of fabric measuring 2.5 inches by width of fabric. This retails for $21.98. And as you can see from spinning this jelly roll on my hands, you can't really see what the fabric looks like, which is why I'm going to treat you to some imagery just showcasing how beautiful this fabric collection really is. It is seriously one of my favorites right now, and I can't wait to work with it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the Country Rose line from Lala Boutique. So that's everything for the October 2022 box, friends. Thank you so much for diving into the contents. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the box overall. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!